How to recover hacked Steam account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can recover hacked Steam account. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up your preferred browser, head to its search bar and then there type in Steam support. Click on the first thing on the search results. Once you're on this Steam support, scroll down and from this list of menus, you have to click on My Account. Once you get to this interface, scroll down a bit. Now click on My account is stolen or hijacked. Then you land on this kind of interface. Scroll down and here you have an option to reset your password. Click on it. Then you have to enter the email address or phone number. Then click on I'm not a robot. There you have to complete the verification. Once you are verified, click on search. If you have access to your email account, there you will receive a verification that will help you change your password. But if you don't have an access to this email address, then you can select the second option. Now from here, you have to provide the current email address that you have access to. Under that, enter the first email that you have used on your account, also the phone number. Again, under that, there is a text box where you can type in your issue saying that your account was hacked or hijacked and also describe that you don't have access to your email or phone number. Once you're done, click on I'm not a robot, verify your identity and then click on send. Now this request has been sent to Steam support. It will review it and will get back to you in order to recover your hijacked or hacked Steam account. So make sure to follow the instructions from the Steam support. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.